Okay, so guys, if you want to update your Epic Games launcher, then what you can do is you can just start your launcher, and when you start your launcher, then to check if any of the update is available, what you can do is click on your profile, then click on settings, guys. When you click on settings, you'll see on the top left corner, guys, restart and update. When we click on it, then you will see the update option. Click on update and it will update your Epic Games launcher on your PC, guys. So as you guys can see, we clicked on update and now it's working. It will update it on the background, and whenever the update is complete, then you'll see the update on your screen. If we open task manager, then we will see on the network tab the Epic Games launcher will be somewhere right here. So we will also open it again to see if the update is done or not. We will click on settings again, and right now you'll see the service available, install service now. When you click on yes, it will install the service, and now your Epic Games launcher is completely updated, guys. It will stay updated until you don't see any kind of update here. It means your Epic Games launcher is updated. But if you want to update it manually, then what you can do is download the setup from Google by just going to google.com and typing here Epic Games launcher download. And now you will download the latest Epic Games launcher from the Epic Games website. It will give you the updated launcher, and by this you can also update your launcher if your first step doesn't work. So yeah guys, this is how you can update Epic Games launcher on your PC.